Sama.
Naki-package diri.
Kasi package.
Ambot.
Ay, naabot na akong gi-order. Saan ni? Kasayo ba? Uy, mamutaw. Ay, grabe. Ay, naabot na diyan akong gi-order. Let's unbox muna. What is
Gahapon na
this?
siya. I-deliver.
Aray. Diyan ka muna. Aray. Aray. Ay. Ay. Uy, kagwapas ako mga igsuon. Nasa man yung mga igsuon na. Ay, akong Omega. Si Kuan is siya. Napod ni
Gagwa man yung mga laba-laba.
Lion King. Sige, let's unbox my Louis Vuitton. Kasayo ba, oy? Abot na akong gi-order. So, I'm gonna unbox my Louis Vuitton. Aray, katurgon pa man ko. Uy, sa mani. Wala ko sa mode. Akong buhok kalkag. So, let's unbox my Louis Vuitton. Charan! This is my Louis Vuitton. A limited edition. And this is a very, very legendary item. Charan! It's the Louis Vuitton Virgil Abloh. Virgil Abloh, as you know, is the former creative director of Louis Vuitton. But sadly, he passed away already. So, ito na yung mga books niya na binili ko. So, about mga, if you are fashion designer, if you are into couture, if you are into haute couture, so this is for you. It's very nice if you have a collection of this kay mga ano to siya, all about work of Abloh, the legendary fashion designer who passed away and revolutionized some of Louis Vuitton products like this duck. So this is my collection. Ito mga eroplano, makikita nyo ang mga work niya. So I always collect a book. I have also a runway magazine. This is quite expensive, almost 20,000 ata, 20,000 pesos books na to.